The millionaire mindset, shaping your path to financial prosperity. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something extraordinary. In life, you have a choice, to either embrace a millionaire mindset, or to live with a poverty mindset. The former, my friends, is where the magic happens. It's about financial independence, freedom, and the power to sculpt your life the way you want it. Who wants a life bogged down by financial struggle? I sure don't. So, today, we're diving deep into the world of the millionaire mindset, breaking free from expectations. I want you to understand one thing: you don't have to live your life according to other people's expectations. Conforming to societal norms often leads to a mundane, uninspiring existence. Successful people know this secret. They've unlocked the millionaire mind. It means thinking and acting in ways that benefit you, even if it means shaking things up, ruffling some feathers, or challenging the status quo. The science of getting rich. Now, let's talk about a game changer, The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles. It's a game changer because it insists on a crucial idea: a truly complete and successful life often eludes you when you're strapped for cash. So, I ask you, do you agree with this notion? If not, you risk unintentionally inviting people, circumstances, and ideas into your life that drag you away from the path to wealth and fulfillment. Now, don't get me wrong, you can lead a good life without being rich. But there's no nobility in poverty, and when you're wealthy, you become a beacon of hope for others, a source of inspiration, and a giver of opportunities. Number 1. Unless your parents are rich, don't do what they did. Why in the world would you take financial advice from someone who's never walked the millionaire path? Only listen to advice from two types of people: those you admire, and those who are experts in their field. Your parents, your friends, they mean well, but they can't teach you how to become rich if they're not. As you adopt the beliefs and habits of successful people, you'll start to realize that much of what you learned growing up might not be all that useful in the pursuit of wealth. Number 2. Get rich slowly. Faster. Let's get practical, my friends. Think of wealth building as mastering a musical instrument or a sport. You've got to become an apprentice, learning from the best in the game. Soak up the tools, strategies, and skills required for effective money management. This apprenticeship is your ticket to wealth, and it requires discipline and patience, two qualities that are non-negotiable on the path to true financial prosperity. Keep those emotions in check, practice discipline, and watch your wealth multiply faster than you can imagine. Number 3. Fake it until you make it. Here's a gem: if you're not a millionaire yet, start acting like one. Why, you ask? Because your thoughts and actions shape your reality. I'm not talking about reckless spending or self-delusion. I'm talking about adopting the mindset and behaviors of the wealthy. As you do, watch the transformation unfold. Acting and thinking like a millionaire sets you on the path to becoming one. Number 4. Get in line, stay in line. Wealth building often feels like standing in a long line, toiling away for years until suddenly, you're at the top. But here's the secret sauce: you've got to stay in line. Don't jump from one thing to another. Find your niche, commit to it, and persevere. Most people? They give up, jump ship, and then find themselves back at the end of the line. Let me tell you, most people aren't rich because they lack the persistence you're building right now. Number 5. Ain't no business like show business. Imagine this: you walk into a room full of people. Do you hug the wall or boldly stride to the center, commanding attention? Attention, my friends, is a currency, and it turns into opportunities, which translate into wealth. Take a cue from celebrities: they thrive on attention. Infuse a bit of showbiz flair into everything you do, and guess what? Money will follow. In conclusion, the journey to a millionaire mindset. As we wrap up this journey into the millionaire mindset, remember, your mindset is the birthplace of wealth. By following these practical steps and breaking free from conformity, you're laying the foundation for lasting financial success. Learn from the best, master money management, visualize your goals, maintain discipline, and infuse showbiz spirit into your endeavors. With each stride, your mindset will evolve, aligning your actions with your aspirations. The millionaire mindset isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. Developing a real estate mindset for success. Now, let's transition to the realm of real estate. What's a real estate mindset, you ask? It's the thought process of a real estate agent, a positive, growth-oriented mindset that believes in continual improvement and actively seeks opportunities for growth. Components of a winning real estate mindset. Your success in real estate hinges on several key components, all driven by a mindset focused on growth and excellence. 1. Accept rejection. In real estate, rejection is part of the journey. Not everyone you meet will be ready to buy or sell, and that's okay. Rather than dwelling on rejection, see it as an opportunity to learn, adapt your strategies, and keep seeking new leads. This resilience is the cornerstone of future success. 2. Focus on abundance. Believe in the abundance of opportunities in real estate. See your growth as unlimited. Rather than fixating on competitors' deals, concentrate on the multitude of opportunities awaiting you. Think creatively, explore innovative approaches, and you'll attract success like a magnet. 3. Embrace the uncomfortable. Venture beyond your comfort zone. Instead of shying away from challenges, embrace them. Make those cold calls, learn new tech skills, and focus on the value you provide. Remember, growth happens outside comfort, and success loves those who dare to push their boundaries. 4. Commit to learning. Never stop learning. A real estate agent must be a perpetual student. With each nugget of knowledge, you become a more valuable asset to your clients. Commit to ongoing learning, read, watch, connect with peers. Knowledge fuels your expertise and propels your journey. 5. Passionate value addition. Passion ignites progress. When you infuse your work with genuine passion, clients feel it. Your dedication goes beyond the transaction, it transforms into meaningful relationships. This passion opens doors to referrals, ensuring your success in the industry. Closing thoughts, unleash your real estate potential. In closing, my friends, remember this: a real estate mindset isn't just about closing deals, it's about unlocking your true potential. Like a phoenix rising, your mindset shapes your journey in this dynamic industry. Embrace rejection, envision abundance, conquer discomfort, learn relentlessly, and radiate passion. With each step, you're not just a real estate agent, you're a beacon of excellence, a trailblazer, and a creator of lasting impact. So, go out there, armed with a powerful real estate mindset, and blaze a trail towards your triumphant success.